Okay, with the first video completed, we're now going to scroll down and hit the Take the Quiz button. The quiz button will always be located in this spot, and you can find it after the video has been completed. We're going to go through the quiz in real time, and hopefully I get all of them right. So once you're here, you'll of course hit the Start the Quiz button to get started. The first question, what is the primary focus of the PACA Sports Values program? I think it's this one. Let's see. Actually, you'll get the results at the end. You don't even know after you've submitted it. What is the purpose of the buddy system? All right, the third question. How do buddies contribute to safety in the buddy system? I think it's this one. It could be that one. What is accountability emphasized in the buddy system? Or why is accountability emphasized in the buddy system, rather? All right, so only 4 questions need to be completed. Okay, so I got 4 out of 4. I'm very thankful that I did. The first one is the easiest one, so I'm glad we got that out of the way. As we get to this page, though, you'll obviously see the leaderboard down at the bottom here, where you'll be able to compare your scores for every module quiz across all of Peterborough. For all the students that will be completing it, you'll see how your scores match up against theirs.